Okay, so in this video we will start creating the MVC architecture of our backend project. So we'll create a backend folder with these folders and files. So let's start creating the folders. First we will create a backend folder. Then we will go inside that folder, and now we will create the other folders. Controllers, models, middlewares, routes, and public. Now we will create the files. Now that we have created the files and folders, we will install the packages. First we will create the package.json file. Okay, now we will install the packages. Express mongoose .env course and express validate. Also, let's install NodeMon, but for development, because we will not need this package in production. Okay, now that we have installed all the files, we have created all the files and folders and installed all the packages, we can start creating the server in the next video.